Hello children, how are you? I am fine, thank you. So today we are going to discuss the population lesson part 3. We are going to continue. Okay, so already we discussed now what does census show. In that we discussed census shows age structure, sex ratio, literacy rate and working population. In the part 2 we discussed age structure. Now in the part 3 we are going to discuss about sex ratio. Okay, so let us begin. What is sex ratio? So try to listen the total video. Why? Because means in middle, and I will tell important questions in the point of view, in the exam point of view also. Okay, so let us continue. So here what is called sex ratio is the number of females for every 1000 males. Okay, the number of females for every 1000 males is called as a sex ratio. Sex ratio is very important a social indicator, Nana. It is very important social indicator to understand, to know the extent of the equality in our society. That means the social sex ratio only reveals how much equality is there, especially gender bias, gender equality in our society, Nana. Okay, so now here we are going to discuss, here it will reveals for example, here we notice that in page number 75, Nana, there is a graph. Okay, look at the graph, everyone. You can understand. Okay, from that graph you can understand that we can understand that over a period of time, in every decade, Nana, sex ratio do not reach to 1000, Nana. That means here every decade it recorded only negative number only. If it is crosses 1000 means it is positive, but always okay, up to 2011 as per this graph, Nana, we see that always negative number only. So that means here we came to understand that here this sex ratio table graph also showing that there is a discrimination towards girls and women, Nana. And this graph also revealing that hidden form of discrimination in our society, Nana. So here what are the reasons for here mainly the girls and women facing discrimination towards the education, towards the health also. Okay, so here what are the reasons for their discrimination means here there are many reasons, Rana. Okay, even especially this discrimination they are facing not in the society, even in their family also. That means here parents are showing discrimination towards the girls, towards their daughters, Rana. So here like in their growth, especially in providing nutrition, in providing better food, in providing good education facilities, as well as good cloth facilities also. So in that way, due to this type of discrimination, what is happening, this discrimination is leads to facing, this discrimination leads to facing some discrimination. This discrimination leads to face problem like their growth will be stopped. Their growth will be stagnated, and they want to develop in the future also. Okay, but here what is happening, this type of discrimination is not always welcome thing. Why? Because means if this discrimination will continue in the society means we can't achieve better sex ratio, as well as we can't stop the discrimination also, gender discrimination also. So but here when government conducted some medical researches, Nana, in that medical researches are saying that if we provide equal opportunities for both boys and girls, under that equal opportunity, means if we provide similar circumstances, Nana, in that similar circumstances, both circumstances means situations, if we provide same situations for the boys and girls, okay, in that same situation, Anna, girls has a capacity to survive and to grow better than the boys, Anna, because their physical growth are like that. So that means here these surveys are clearly revealing that girls can survive better than the boys. And also one more indication, Anna, as per the census department, one more indication is here one or three female babies are had are born against 100 male babies. Okay, that means here 100 female babies are having birth, only 100 male babies are, okay, male babies are having birth. But here what is happening means more females or more baby girls are having birth, but at the same time what is happening means here more they are having more birth, at the same time they are only dying more. So what is the reason means because of the discrimination in their houses, okay, lack of nutrition facilities by their parents. Okay, there are many reasons are there another, especially if you see the boys and girls birth rate, and after birth rate if you observe the death rate means here mortality rate, infant mortality rate, especially 0 to 5 years, 0 to 5 years.